In the colorful land of Snacktopia, kids embark on a healthy crunch journey. They meet Gracie, the grain expert, who shares the magic of oats and quinoa. Did you know, she says, that these super grains help keep your energy up for playtime? Families join Gracie to whip up delicious treats, crispy quinoa bites and oatmeal cookies loaded with nuts and fruits. The children giggle while tasting, saying, "Yum! These snacks are a blast!" As they munch, Gracie encourages everyone to think outside the bag and make snacking fun. Families leave the Snacktopia with new recipes, inspired to create their own delicious snack adventures at home. Bye.